Jeff, very good to see you. I have a really important question today. Should you convert your term life policy to a permanent policy? Many people purchase term life insurance for the affordability and protection that it offers during their working years. But as life changes, the question often comes up, should you convert your term life policy to a permanent policy? So we're going to break down everything that you need to know, but let's just start with the basics. What is the difference between term and permanent?
Right. Hi, Erin. Well, a term policy is exactly what it says. It's a life insurance policy for a specified term. And so it can be a 5 or a 10 or a 20-year term. And after that term is over, the life insurance goes away. So it's going to be at a lower cost per month or per year as well. A permanent policy can also be a whole life policy, and that's going to be a lifelong type of policy. As long as you're alive, you're going to have that coverage up until the day that you die. And so it's going to cost more to do that, but it also builds a cash value along the way. And that cash value can be used for other purposes. You can use that cash value for financial planning, for drawing from the cash value as needed. And again, one of the great benefits of life insurance is the death benefit is completely income tax free.
Yeah, that is a big deal. So why would someone consider then converting their term policy to a permanent policy?
If you want to get lifetime coverage, that's what the permanent policy provides. And it may be a situation where your health situation changes as well. If your health is declining and you want to get additional insurance, you may be declined because you'd have to go through underwriting. But if you convert a term policy in its proper time period, there's no underwriting process. And so that will allow you to, again, turn it into a permanent type of policy. And so it could be for estate planning purposes. If you want to leave the money as a legacy, you'll know that that life insurance policy will be there for you later on.
What are the potential drawbacks or costs, which you mentioned a second ago, that we need to be aware of, though, before making this decision?
The permanent policy is more expensive. And so you may be able to afford the premiums now, but have to consider years and years and years down the road, are you still going to be able to make those payments? Have to take that in consideration. And do you really need that life insurance later on down the road? Your situation may change as well, but the cost is going to be higher, and you have to take that into account.
So for someone then who is unsure as to whether they should convert, what's the first step they should take in evaluating their options?
So every insurance policy is going to be a little bit different, but you want to look at what's called the conversion window. You want to see what time period allows you to make that conversion from term to permanent policy. And it may not line up with the maturity of your policy. Some of the policies also will have a age-based limitation as well. So check the policy, make sure that you understand what that term conversion window is so you don't miss out on the effective dates with that.
A lot to consider before converting, for sure. I'm sure a lot of people may have heard some of the benefits of a permanent policy and would like to maybe just start from scratch with you to do that. So if they want to talk through again some of their options here, Jeff, what's the best way to reach you?
Yep, absolutely. They can give us a call at our office. It's 405-681-9633, or take a look at our website, gortonfinancial.com, and you can reach us that way as well. And we'd be glad to help.
Jeff, thank you.
All right. Thanks, Erin.